Hi guys, you are welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back. I'm so glad to have you back. If you are new to my channel, I am Joy Steve, and in this channel I talk about health, fitness, lifestyle, food and recipes. So if you would like to keep enjoying any of the above topics, please go ahead and click the subscribe button below and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be properly notified. So today I'll be talking on some natural remedies for hair loss. So if you're having this challenge of your hair falling out, please stay tuned as I share some remedies that will be of help to the hair loss issue. Keep watching because these remedies are so important and they are going to help you and say no and stop to hair loss, like to hair fall out. Keep watching. You are welcome back to my channel. So if you would like to take a treatment of hair loss naturally, the first thing you should do is to apply garlic remedies. You can apply pure garlic oil as a treatment for hair loss. Massage the garlic oil into your scalp before you shampoo your hair. This makes it easier and more relaxed on your scalp. Pre-warm the garlic oil before you apply it. Do this 2 to 3 times a week until hair regrowth begins or shedding stops. As soon as it starts working, repeat the treatment twice in a month. Also, adding pure garlic to a mild shampoo you apply helps. Slice 2 to 3 cloves of garlic and add them into your shampoo. Apply this shampoo 2 to 3 times a week. Although there is no direct proof that eating garlic or using it as a supplement can help with hair loss, it is rational to think that it could. Add garlic to various foods as you want, or take garlic as a supplement to help with hair loss. The next natural way is take protein for hair development. Hair is typically a protein filament, and strong healthy hair comes from the inside, despite what manufacturers of shampoos and conditioners says. Make sure you are getting enough high quality protein in order to grow more hair. Variety of sources of whole proteins contains the essential amino acids, which is the building blocks of protein, are eggs, soya beans, dairy products, and beans. The next is consume more B vitamins. Diet high in B complex vitamins are very important. These are required for healthy hair follicles and healthy hair development. Food sources include spinach, lettuce, legumes, lentils, bell peppers, broccoli, turnip greens, and beef liver. The next one is for you to have more minerals. The only mineral that has been proven to link to hair loss is iron. Despite the fact that low zinc and low selenium has been implicated in hair loss, it is still not known if zinc or selenium deficiencies performs a major or minor part in hair loss. Increasing foods rich in these minerals in your diet is recommended. Eat more foods with iron such as egg, lean, red meat, dark leafy green vegetables, beans, lentils, and liver. You can also get more zinc with seafood, shellfish, spinach, pumpkins, sunflower seeds, and nuts. Omega-3 fatty acids applied on the scalp has been shown to increase the numbers of hair strands according to research. So increasing the amount of omega-3 fatty acid in your diet may be helpful for hair loss. Food sources for omega-3 fatty acids are mackerel, salmon, eggs, soya beans, walnuts, and sardines. If you choose to take mineral supplements, don't abuse it and follow manufacturer's directive. You can have so many minerals. Next, avoid over shampooing. Avoid over shampooing because this can strip the natural oils from your hair. Regular shampooing does not actually cause hair loss, but stripping the oils from your hair can make the hair more brittle. Washing your hair twice or thrice in a week is advised. Next, avoid shampoo with high chemical content. So you need to avoid numerous shampoos that are loaded with chemicals. Extra chemicals can make your hair rough, dry, and worsen hair loss. Instead, use natural shampoos that nourishes your hair nutrients rather than depleting them. Products containing ingredients like sodium lauryl sulfate, parabens, and ammonium chloride should be avoided if you have thin, fragile, or treated hair. Next and the last in this video is avoid excess conditioner. Hair loss might be result from disproportionate conditioner. Conditioners can be weighed down the roots of the hair and damage the hair follicles, which can cause it to break and fall out. Apply a conditioner 1 to 2 times a week and avoid using conditioner on the scalp. So guys, I'm going to draw my curtain here. I will continue in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and write your comments at the comment section. Turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be notified. Thank you once again, and bye.